Do you know why it is so important to have that connection with yourself? Because it gives you mental clarity and strengthen your decision making power. Remember all those time you keep doubting your choices and yourself, even for making small choices like what to wear, what to eat, what to buy. You keep asking other people, you keep asking for reassurance, validations, and other people's opinion because you believe that they know you better than you know yourself, or you keep delaying the decisions that you have to make, or you keep avoiding the big decisions. You feel so guilty about the choices that you have made, or you feel so shameful about it and keep rethinking or overthinking about it, what to do. Oh, I should not have done this or that. Because what do you believe here is the other person knows about me better than myself, because I am projecting some behavior and I am not aware about it. But why? That's why having that self trust is very important, where you're taking that journey to yourself, you're analyzing your own behavior, you're studying yourself. You can do that by going back to all the situations that you have dealt with, you felt was very challenging. How did you dealt with? What was the point that you have improved so far? You can do all kind of analysis to understand your strength and weakness, so that you can have that trust within yourself. You can make choices from alignment. Nobody will hold power on you because you believe in yourself. You have that trust within yourself. That's why it is very important to have that clarity. That's why it is very important to have that beautiful relationship with yourself, so that you can stop doubting yourself, because world get profit from this. When you doubt yourself, world is taking advantage of you. So you have to stop doing that and start learning about yourself, so that you can have that confidence within yourself that yeah, I can do it. Even nobody believes in me, I can do it. I don't want anybody to believe in me. I don't want anybody's opinion or decisions to be my decisions, because I know what is good for me. I have lived my life. So start taking your choices and yourself very seriously, and do not overthink about the choices you have made so far. That was the best you could have done with the available choices, or whatever that you have did. Completely okay. From now on, start believing in yourself, start learning about your own self, and take care of yourself.